Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our first paycheck of July and doing a breakdown on our second paycheck in July. If you are interested in this video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So guys, a couple of my videos have been freezing. They were doing fine until I put them up on YouTube and then they froze. I don't know what's going on with it. I still haven't figured it out. So let's pray and hope that this one does not do the same. So let's get started and let's see how we did. For our paycheck for July the 5th through July the 11th, in our expense category, we budgeted $254.73 for our utilities, $165.51 for our car insurance, $48 for our gym fee, and $28 for Terminex. That came up to $496.24. And in our actual category, that is exactly what we spent. We budgeted $490 in our cash envelopes, $350 in our sinking fund, $60 in our savings challenges, and $20 in our extra backup funds. That came up to $920. In our actual category, we spent $415 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $75, $350 in our sinking funds. And as you know, we did not do a stuffing for our sinking funds last week. However, we did take the $350, and that is going to be done with this week's sinking funds. $60 in our savings challenges and $20 in our extra backup money. That left a remainder of $845, which was a difference of $75. In our income versus our expenses, we estimated our income to be $1,572.35, minus the expenses of $496.24, minus the cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $60, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $156.11. In our actual category, our income was $1,572.35, minus the expenses of $496.24, minus the cash envelopes of $415, which was a difference of $75, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $60, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $231.11, which was a savings of $75. In our paycheck from July the 12th through July the 18th, in our expense category, we budgeted $179.78 for our chiropractor, $83.88 for YouTube TV, $71.40 for Google Fiber, $55.64 for our home alarm, $24.83 for Netflix, $16.19 for Amazon Prime, $16.15 for Audible, and $16 for YouTube Premium. That came up to $463.87. We budgeted $530 for our cash envelopes, $575 for our sinking funds, $150 for our savings challenges, $50 for our extra backup funds, $500 for our extra payment, which will be put aside, and $250 for our backup funds. That stayed in the bank. I'm not taking that out. I just moved it over to the extra backup funds account. That came up to a total of $2,055. In our income versus our expenses, we estimated our income to be $2,861.55, minus the expenses of $463.87, minus the cash envelopes of $530, minus the sinking funds of $575, minus the savings challenges of $150, minus the extra backup money plus the extra payment of $550. I didn't have enough room, so I combined those. Minus the backup funds of $250, that leaves a remainder of $342.58. So fam, as you know, the week of the 4th of July, we went to pick up my mom, so I did not do a cash stuffing, just in case we needed to use that money. However, I did take the money out, and we will be doing the cash stuffing for that along with this week's cash stuffing. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, fam.